Hey there, good morning. It's Stephanie Kemmerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily Dark Pool Whisper for August 29th. And it looks like we have finally broken out of this wedge, maybe. We'll see how this candle closes on the SPY. Yeah, it's been really tight over the past couple days, right? Down, up, down, up. And it looks like she's trying to break out here. Will it be a gap and go or a pop and drop with the wick on top? We'll see. We're going to be bullish above 292.50. There's a nice trade set up right here that I'm seeing. Or we're going to retrace back down. So bearish below 291.50 for retracement of the breakout wedge. A lot of times when we break out of a wedge, we like to retrace back down to where we broke out. So let's just take it level to level. Let's go to the E-minis. Bullish above 29.22.50. And I'm going to be bearish below 29.10 for retracement to the VWAP. Yeah, actually the VWAP changed. It's now 29.07. But that's always a good spot to cover a short if you're doing a retracement trade down there. So wherever that is, yeah, definitely watch that level. Let's go to the IWM. The Russell, we're going to be bullish above 149 right here. Yeah, possible trade set up there. We have dark pool 148.69. That's the most recent level. That's why I'm bullish above 149 today. We may retest where they were selling the other day, so we'll see if we could break above that, then that's bullish. If not, I'm bearish below 147.40. A retracement trade down to the 4 EMA, or possibly the pivot. Let's go to the QQQs. The QQQs 188, really big level. That's where the simple 30 moving average is. There's a little trade in here, or are we going to retrace back down again? Bearish below 186.80 for that. And let's just go to the NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ futures bullish above 7,700. You can see there's a lot of room on the NASDAQ futures right here to go up. And bearish below 7,660. Yeah, we had a lot of pre-market volume in this area, so I would always be bearish below where most of the volume occurred pre-market. Means they no longer want to buy there, and then we would usually go down. So really key when you're trading the futures. Before we go to the Dow, let's go to the oil futures. Yeah, these guys have been rocking and rolling yesterday, right? Let's see where we are at today. Let me just make this bigger. So we're going to be bullish above 56.25. That's this Camarilla. You can see we just up thrusted there. Yeah, so that's really a key level moving forward today. And I'm going to be bearish below, let's see what's my level, up 56. That's the pivot. All right, so there's a nice trade set up from here to here, and then there's a nice trade set up down there for the oil futures. And let's go to the, you know what, I skipped. I'll go to the Dow futures next. So the Dow futures bullish above 26,300. See, there's a nice trade set up. We really don't have any resistance until this 50 simple moving average. And then bearish below 26,180 if we do turn around from here. Let's go to the gold futures. Gold. We got to talk about gold. We had a lot of prints on IAU. That's the dark pool favorite. That's what got us into gold in the first place back in April. We had 96 million dark pool buy prints. Okay, so I'm going to get to that in just a second. But is this the top? Well, guess what we spotted? Big prints on IAU yesterday. So yeah, maybe this could be it. So let's just go over the gold futures. Bullish above 1550 and bearish below 1540. But let's go to IAU. Because look what I spotted this morning also. Yeah, you see how they just brought the price up to 1481? It's not trading there. It's really trading here. 71. Look at this print. These are late dark pool sell prints from yesterday. 900,000 and a million. Very sneaky, but we see you. Yeah, that's really sneaky, guys. Yeah. However, we had a 3 million print yesterday on IAU at 1473. We're sitting just underneath it. Now, do not trade IAU. Very slow. Watch these levels, okay? We should get more prints, right, coming in. So they may not move in until they're done. But watch those levels. We're going to trade GLD and GDX or GDXJ. I know Lorraine in my room loves that one. So GLD, let's just go over that. GLD, I'm only going to be bullish above 145.25. Bearish below 144.50. GDX had lots of prints on it recently. Yeah, this one, definitely want to watch this one. 30.39, we had a 1.5 million. We are just below that. 30.54, right? 30.41. So we are below the most recent prints on GDX. Check out the book where these guys are loaded. This guy's loaded to buy at 29.58. Let me just zoom in on that. And you see the seller there? 31.21. Yeah, just kind of circle that. Yeah, I've been following these guys. It's a computer. But I've been following this computer for quite a while. And these levels are pretty key. So, yeah, definitely watch. If we do start to move down, that's where he should be buying. If we do move up, that's where he should be selling. I like to be prepared on both sides always. But I wanted to bring that to your attention. Okay, let's watch AMD. AMD's stuck in between some pretty big print levels. So we had some buying that came in at 31.25. 30.10 area as well. But we did have sellers, $30.82, 31.06 was another print area. So we're kind of in between that 31.25. I'm sorry, there were higher sellers. Hold on. Let me just go take a peek up higher. I think I missed a couple prints. 31.62. Yeah, you see this? I have great list right here. Thanks to Dave B in the Java Pit Trading Room. Thank you, Dave, for doing this for us. 31.62. See these guys? 31.98, 31.89. Yeah, these were big sellers. And then we just started to get some big buyers that came in at 31.06, 30.82. So yeah, there's kind of like a battle going on. 30.10. Now we just went above 31.25. So we're kind of battling these two levels. If you trade AMD, definitely want to know about these. So this is why I am bullish. If we break above 32.06, then we would be above those recent sellers. So watch that level and be patient. If we do go down and break below those recent buyers, that would be uber bearish. So I know a lot of people out there do trade AMD. So just wanted to really show you those levels. Let's go to earnings. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree had earnings, and it looks like they like their earnings. We're going to be bullish above 107. Very key level. I drew a trend line on the weekly chart. Yep, right here. Yes, I do look at weekly charts. They're amazing. Yeah, and you see how we came right up to the tippy top there? So that's why I'm kind of drawing my line right there and bullish above. If not, sellers always come in on those trend lines. And bearish below 105. Up, we just... Let's see if we just fell below that. That's really a key level to watch, that 105 level for DLTR for a retracement down to the 4 EMA. Let's go to the bonds. Definitely have to go over the bonds because we had a very big print yesterday on TMV. I did get out of my last long position, waiting to reload or not. Based on this crazy print, I would not trade TMV. It's not a good vehicle to trade, but it is the bear 3 times the speed 20-year ETFs of the bonds. So when bonds move up, TMV moves down. When TMV moves up, bonds move down. All right, you got that? So here, look at this volume here. So here they were selling. Here's what we call the splash. Okay, they were selling here. They splashed it up and then moved it down. This is why I tell my traders to wait 3 days, if you can, before jumping in on a fresh new print. So let's see what this is, but definitely interesting. Not as big as this one, volume bar, but still bigger than the last couple days. So we could get another move on the bonds. So this print happened at 9:51. So are we splashing up to move down again? Could be, but keep your eye on that level and wait a couple days. But in the meantime, let's just check out TLT. TLT bullish above 148.25, and we do have a retracement trade down to the 8. If we start to move up again, I'll put another. That'll be my 20th roll on TLT. I've been trading this thing for a long time, waiting patiently for the next trade setup. So bearish below 146.50 today for a short-term trade. A retracement. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Best Buy. Yeah, retail earnings are still coming in. Bullish above 66. I did put this one out early. And bearish below 64.75. We are just going below that right now. So bearish below that level for Best Buy. Look at the weekly chart. Yeah, why did I go down to 60? That's the next $5 increment level. Yeah, it could get even uglier. We could go down to all the way to this 200 moving average if things, things don't heat up today. Yep. I know a lot of people do go into Best Buy. They do a little window shopping and then they go online and buy stuff a lot cheaper. So we'll see. Looks like it's creeping into its earnings. Let's go to Abercrombie. Yeah, people are not shopping at Abercrombie anymore either. But bullish above 15.75. Let's just trade this. That's a retracement trade. And bearish below 15.25. We've just been lingering right on that level. Really key level here. And now let's go to Facebook. Facebook had a big print yesterday. Massive. At 180.40. I posted that out. We're going to be bullish above 184.25. It may retrace back down and retest that print. Not sure, but I'll be bearish below 183.40 for a retracement trade down. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for today. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.